Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trades. It's coming to you live from Berlin, Germany, guys. It is now 3:51 a.m. here in Berlin, Germany, and it is cold as a freak out there. Guys, we need to have a serious talk about what's going on with crypto, what's going on with Dogecoin. We're seeing that everything kind of just went. Everything just kind of went down, and a lot of people are panicking and are really thinking that. Is this it? This the end? We're going to continue to go down. Is that the end of the bull run? Is this like the big dip, the big dippity dip before the end of the world kind of thing? So I'm going to talk to you about what's going on out there. So this is kind of an emergency update for crypto right now, and let's talk about it. Also, don't forget we got Jerome Powell that's going to be talking Wednesday as well. Going to be talking today. It's going to be talking about the economy. It's going to be talking about the interest rates and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah. I wouldn't worry about it too much. I think it's just gonna happen. What's gonna happen? So, guys, let's jump into the content without any further delay. So let's get into it, guys. Let's absolutely get into it. Do go back and watch all the other videos out there, guys. I'm jet lagged. I mean, my body's like half on European time, half on freaking Vietnam time. So I'm kind of like cuckoo schmat out there. Go back and watch all the other videos. What's going on? Basically, we've seen the U.S. markets. A chang out there, big pullback. A lot of it has to do with the fear of what Jeremy Powell is going to do today when he testifies on the House. What investors expect. I think there's, interest rate cuts are not going to be happening for a while. I think that they're just going to hold strong out there. And overall, I think things are going to be going up. Looks like Elon Musk met with our friend Donald out there. So that is good out there from my perspective. I mean, some of you may not agree with me. Now, guys, look at this. Like, I mean, if you just woke up to see this, you guys ain't happy. Everything is just tangity chang. But keep in mind, Bitcoin, was at 68,000, so it has dropped almost 5K in a single day. Pullbacks are normal, guys. Pullbacks are absolutely normal, in my opinion. In my freaking opinion, we've had a big pullback in terms of where we are in terms of fear and greed. Let me get that midi refresh. Yesterday we were at 90 out there. And remember, whenever you get fear and greed in this zone, this is a reverse indicator. You're gonna get pullback. Basically, there is a big freaking sell-off. That's all there is to it. Now, guys. Oh, so much redness. So there's a big freaking pullback, and also a lot of the meme coins also got decimated. I mean, Shiba's down 28%. The Pepster, the Bongster. So in terms of the Floki is also down. So all the big meme coins have been pumping. In terms of their volatility on the downward side, they gave up a lot more than most of the altcoins. So that's what's going on with that. Yeah. So, like I said, cryptocurrency market sees confusion as three short squeezes unfold. So we're getting short squeezes, guys. Bears are in shock after fear 3 recent short squeezes. So, we had these short squeezes. That is what pushed up Bitcoin prices, pushed up the whole market. And what happened is when we pushed up the prices, there was a lot of longs. People started taking a lot of long positions, and what happened is the market makers basically didn't want that anymore, and they basically pushed the prices down, okay, because they want to take maximum liquidity. So a little bit of manipulation. Overall, the fundamentals are still good. Everything is peachy out there. So we are seeing that a big drop in terms of market cap, down 2.36 trillion. That's down over 6%. So big dip. But guys, overall, if you take a look at the longer time frame, we're still up for Bitcoin 10%. Ethereum is still up 8%. BNB is down. Solana is still up 12%, so not too shabby. Cardano's up 8.3%. Doge is still up 55%, and SHIB is still up almost 200%. So overall, not too shabby. Looks like the Shiba Inu could knock out the Doge, guys. So whoa, could knock out the Doge. Let me get some. This is just fruit. It's like some kind of fruit drinky winky out there. So that's what this is. It's kind of like a strawberry thing. I don't know. It's good or bad. I don't know. Let's see. It's kind of like a orange fizzy drinky thing. Tastes okay. Tastes okay. Yeah. I also got this. I got an apple too here out there. It is freaking cold here in Germany. Like yesterday, I was waiting for a taxi. It took me like an hour, and it cost me 75 euros to go 8.25 kilometers in an Uber because of this freaking conference, and the demand for the taxis was so high. Had to wait like an hour in the cold, 3 degrees Celsius, and I got to pay 75 euro for my travel. Go figure that one out. So looks like Deutsche Bank is now allowing some of its larger customers to trade crypto. Finance will provide settlement and custody. So that is pretty good. Not too shabby out there. So things are okay. Remember, Doge is money, guys. Let's let that sink in. Doge is freaking money, guys. It's going to be a global currency. I believe it. So yesterday we did see the beginnings of a huge hunter wick with an 18% amplitude that just wrecked a ton of longs, shorts. Watch out for market makers taking liquidity. So I kind of posted this in advance of the market makers actually taking more liquidity. This is when there was an amplitude of about 18%. So you can see here. So it was pretty nasty, and you can actually see that. You see, guys, when you have a wick like this, okay, this is artificial. Basically, what happened is the market makers pushed up Dogecoin, and Dogecoin reached a high of 20. Then it went all the way down again, all the way down to 12. So if you measure the top to the bottom of this hunter wick here, you're almost like a 38% drop. Okay, so that's pure manipulation. So since then, the Dogecoin price has come up a little bit. It went back up to its 16-cent level, got rejected there, and it has since come down. So from 16 to where we are now, it's gone down like 8%. So yeah, we had almost like a 40%, 48% measured move from top side to bottom side. But we have come up. We have come up. If you take the bottom of this hunter wick here, go to right here, we have recovered 15% from its low yesterday. So yeah, this is pure manipulation. Ignore it. It's just foot. Ignore it, guys. Ignore it, guys. Also, guys, don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter, guys. We're getting pretty close out there to like almost 12,000 followers. I appreciate that. So yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about it, guys. Wouldn't worry too much about it. We're seeing that right now. Dogecoin is at 1479. Let me just check the chart again. 1479. Yeah, that's correct. We're at 1479. We're seeing that there has been a lot of volume, in terms of what's going on. Market cap's come down like 24%. Volume is up 13%, so 8.3 billion in volume. So wow. So it's crazy, guys. But crypto analyst sees Dogecoin reaching $0.50 soon. Doge has plenty more left in the tank, and I believe it. I think Dogecoin is definitely going to make a move, guys. And this is from Kaleo, and he's saying slowly but surely Doge will continue to run. So in Kaleo's chart here, I just opened his X. You can see how that he basically he drew this drawdown here, almost exactly. He drew it down. Then we're gonna have a pump retest, a big pump, and I think there's definitely a huge freaking magnet for Dogecoin. This is Dogecoin Bitcoin chart. Okay, if you're wondering why, what are the sold numbers? This is Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. Okay, not Dogecoin versus a dollar. So, but the trajectory will be the same. So yeah, this pullback is inevitable. Do not worry about it. And I think that 60 cents is definitely going to be coming in for the Doge, guys. So take a look. Don't sleep on the king. long it with me here. So he's saying, take a long position, guys. Take absolutely a long position on Bitcoin, on Dogecoin, guys. The pump hasn't even started. So really, I agree. What we're seeing is basically a pre-Doge pump. A little bit of euphoria out there. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. Do not worry about it. Yeah, how much would Doge $100 Doge today could be worth at all-time highs. Yeah, it will be if it hit all-time high again. 100 Doge will be worth like $400. So not too shabby, not too shabby. Let's see, guys. But still, we got 81% of the Dogecoin holders are still in the money, 14% out. So yeah, not too shabby, not too shabalicious out there, shabalicious. Guys, despite Grayscale outflows, which are likely due to Genesis bankruptcy, BlackRock and Fidelity easily offset these outflows. So we're still seeing, even with Grayscale having outflows of almost 7,000 Bitcoin, we're still seeing huge inflows, guys. So not too shabby. Things are going up, guys. Definitely things are going up. Willie Wool is saying that that Bitcoin could break 125,000 minimum before end of 2025. I believe it, guys. We could see a huge pump, guys. Huge freaking pump. So let's see where we are in terms of our Q1. Still up 49%. Q1 for Ethereum, 53%. So March was still up, guys, 3.2%, despite this horrendous Hunter Wick. Like, what the freaking happened with this Hunter Wick, guys? So, yeah, it looks like Elon Musk posted this because it looks like Insta, Facebook, most of the Meta platform, that they're having trouble accessing our services right now. So, yeah. So, way to go. X is on fire, guys. X is on fire. Exciting times. Macro structure has just been forming for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price is soaring with an upward trend depicted in the chart. The market will be looking strong. So, guys, a little bit of pullback. I think this is a good opportunity to buy the freaking dip, guys. Buy the freaking dippy dip. Recovery progress. So we're seeing about 99% to the halving. Pow. So this could be our pre-halving dump ski before we have a pump ski out there. So, guys, Jeff Bezos surpasses Elon Musk, becoming the world's richest person. Ooh, I do not like Jeff Bezos. I think he's a twat, in my opinion, out there. Bitcoin will not break 69,000. Well, it almost did, right? We almost got to all-time high. Then we got Hunter Wick to scare the crap out of people. You can see Bitcoin. Bitcoin basically formed this Hunter Wick. A whole bunch of shorts got wrecked when it went up, and a whole bunch of longs got wrecked. And remember, it got rejected at the psychological level of all-time high. Oh, was that to be expected? Because market makers ran it up to the all-time high, and then it got rejected. That's pre-programmed, guys. Same with Ethereum. That's what's going on. It's just been a complete poopish amount of show out there, guys. So just in 105 million worth of Bitcoin shorts liquidated in the past 24 hours. They got liquidated because it ran up, and then the longs got liquidated too. So that's what happened. 43 days to halving, guys. That is coming, guys. It's absolutely coming. So are you mentally prepared? 2017, 2024 halving time. We're gonna blast off, guys. So don't let this small little hiccupski detract you from the bigger picture, and that is that crypto is going to the moon, guys. So I'll see you in the freaking next one. It is 4 freaking a.m. here in Germany. I'm still on Vietnam time. I'm kind of like on OG time, half between Germany and half between Vietnam. And probably just as I adjust, guess what? I'll be back in Vietnam, so my brain will be fine. I'll be a pooper out there, guys. So I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.